Hello, that is little rascals. Today I'm gonna unbox this HONOR Magic8 Lite phone that I just got. Package seems sleek, stylish. Let's see about the phone. Just some plastic covering. So the plastic is away now, and the first feel of the phone is stylish and pretty lightweight. And the front displays, or the main display, how do you want to say it, but it doesn't have big frames. That's a good thing, I think. And there's some speaker, charging board and speaker and SIM card slot. And the main camera. There's 3 cameras and a flash. This is pretty good feel overall. Stays in the hand. It's not slippery by any means. It feels pretty good. And, okay. Yes. Display seems pretty fine, I think. I'm gonna get it working and get back to you after the week. I'm gonna use this in a Finnish weather and maybe in the sauna as well to see how the battery is reacting to the temperatures, minus and plus. So I'm gonna get back to you after the weekend to give you a review about this phone and the user experiment and stuff like that. But overall, excited to get it working and see how the cameras are performing and the battery. Now I'm at the cabin testing out this new phone and especially camera. And here is like, I don't know, minus 10 degrees Celsius. Very wintry. But I haven't noticed that the battery is dying or anything. It's just keep. Battery was around 89 when I started to take these videos, and it's the same. Also there's pretty cold outside. Camera is pretty good, I think. Takes good close-ups. And then I think it's a good camera. Really very good. I'm gonna test this a little bit more when we get the sauna ready. It's warming up. Yes. Sauna is ready and the temperature has rise to 70, 65. And the camera is still going and the battery is doing just fine. Nothing special. Everything's good. But it works fine in cold weather and in hot weather, so that's good.